I started my first channel in December 2019. It's been over 4 years of me creating content. I started this new channel in December 2023 and this is my second channel. Hi there everybody. In this video I want to talk about how YouTube has been changing my life over the years. I've seen similar videos and I got inspired to make this video because I could really relate with the topic. I just want to share my current thoughts on what I have learned from this channel and what I've learned from my journey as a YouTuber. So for me as a creator, YouTube has been a lot more than just about creating content. YouTube has given me a lot more than just a platform where I share my thoughts. So I want to talk about 4 ways in which YouTube has changed my life. So let's start. The first thing that YouTube has given me is that it has made me a better speaker. Now before creating content, I never knew that I was a good speaker. आज लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि you're a very good speaker, you speak really well. अगर मैंने YouTube videos नहीं बनाए होते तो मुझे कभी पता नहीं चलता that I am a good speaker or I have the potential to be a good speaker. So that is something that creating YouTube video has taught me. And also I think ये videos बनाते बनाते मेरा जो speaking का skill है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा enhance हुआ है. When I made my first video, it wasn't that interesting and it wasn't so fluent, of course. But over time, over a period of 4 years, I have gained that skill, I would say. And today I can speak well. The second thing that YouTube has given me is that it has given me a friend. If you are an introvert like me, you would relate that it's not easy for introverts to express themselves in public or in front of other people. So introverts के दिमाग में ज़्यादा चीज़ें चलती हैं as compared to what they speak. And oftentimes when they're trying to speak, they're not able to articulate their thoughts well and they're not able to basically say what they're actually feeling. In that case, talking to a camera becomes really easy because talking to the camera is like talking to myself. And being an introvert, I can talk to myself for hours. Now, I can talk to the mirror, but talking to the camera gives me more of a feeling that I have a friend. And when I share these videos with you all and you all watch it, that also gives me a feeling that, okay, I have you all as well in the form of friends. And I can actually convey my thoughts in a better way in front of the camera. It's like conversing with a friend. Now, a third thing that YouTube has given me is that it has taught me articulation. Articulation का मतलब होता है basically how you frame your thoughts in a manner so that it's easier to understand for people. Now that I don't think I had that skill before I started making YouTube videos. I was okay at it, but I think वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा improve हुआ है मेरा articulation since the time I've started doing YouTube. Because YouTube में you have to, you have to make the videos in such a way that it's easy for people to understand and also it's power packed. Like you have to really convey what you want to convey, and for that you have to be good at articulation. So I think creating YouTube videos over time in the period of 4 years, I've learned what to say, how to say, and how to put forward my thoughts in such a way that it's easy for people to understand what I'm trying to convey. The fourth and the last thing that I think YouTube has taught me is that it has taught me how to express. You have a camera only, right? So आपको उस कैमरा में ही सारे अपने इमोशंस डालने हैं so that जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहा है उन तक वो इमोशंस as it is पहुंच जाए. Like उनको exactly समझ आना चाहिए कि आप जब कुछ बोल रहे हो तो क्या सोच के बोल रहे हो and क्या फील करके बोल रहे हो, and वो इमोशन कन्वे होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? सो while doing YouTube, I learned that I need to be really expressive with my words and actions so that when I create such videos, when people watch these videos, they're able to not only get the words but also get the emotion and expression that I'm trying to convey it with. So that is really important for me and उसके लिए मैंने उस पर भी काम किया. Over time, I learned how to express better, and this expression has helped me off camera as well, because when I'm outside the camera, when I'm interacting with other people, there also I'm able to express my thoughts well. And in fact, first 3 points also, like I'm able to articulate better, I'm able to speak better. I recently hosted a couple of events in my organization. All that happened because I've become a better speaker, I can express well and I can articulate things well. And that is the reason I've been getting all these opportunities. And my Instagram has also been growing well because, I have been putting out content, I've been putting emotions and expressions and good words into it. So I think that's the reason my life has improved to a great extent overall. So I'm really grateful for being a YouTuber. None of my channels, like I have 2 channels, but none of them have, blown up so far. Like I have 17.5k in the other channel and around 60 subscribers in this one. But I feel that पैसे और सब्सक्राइबर्स तो आई फील आ जाएंगे धीरे धीरे, बट दीज आर लाइफ स्किल्स दैट आई हैव लर्नड एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. Obviously I would like to have more subscribers and more earn better from it. And I know a lot of you as well who are introverts but are trying their hands on creating content, and I think it's perfect combination. Like YouTube was meant for introverts I feel, because introverts के लिए normal life में अपने आप को express करना बहुत difficult होता है, जैसे कि मैंने बोला. So if you are a YouTuber, you can express all your thoughts over here and you will find an audience who would want to listen to you, because everybody is looking for someone whom they can relate to. And if people can relate to who you are and your story, that also makes us feel better, right? Like if we make a video and we see people commenting and saying that I can really relate to what you're saying or who you are, then it also makes us feel better as a person. And introverts are a lot inside their heads, right? So it's important for us also to share our thoughts, express our thoughts, and have a video diary where we can basically blabber and just dump all our thoughts. So I think YouTube really provides all those opportunities. So I'll close the video by saying that if you are an introvert, or if you are just someone who really wants to start YouTube but is not starting because उनको लग रहा है कि मैं नहीं सक्सेसफुल हो पाऊंगा, या मैं नहीं कमा पाऊंगा, या मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं आएंगे, मेरी बेइज्जती होगी, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. डू इट फॉर योर सेल्फ इफ नॉट फॉर अदर्स, बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज गोइंग टू वर्क आउट इन द एंड, एंड यू विल फील अ लॉट बेटर अबाउट योर सेल्फ इफ यू स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग कॉन्टेंट. सो अगर कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिमाग में है कि कॉन्टेंट क्रिएट करना है, देन दिस इज द टाइम टू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. You just need to get your self-doubt and fear of failure out of the way and you are good to go. So on that note, I will end this one here. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please make sure to hit a like on this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and also while subscribing, please do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you will know when I put up my next video. And I'll see you again in my next one very, very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.